Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments for businesses in India. In this video, you will learn to integrate Razorpay payment gateway with your Arista store. Before we begin, you must complete a few steps. Let us look at them one by one. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Provide relevant details and complete the sign up process. Complete all the steps and launch the dashboard. Next, you must generate the test API keys. Navigate to the settings section and download the test key details and save it on your system. To begin the integration process, open the Arista integration document. Following other steps that will help you to integrate Razorpay Payment Gateway with your Arista website. Step 1. Download Arista from the Arista community. In the Arista integration document, navigate to the installation section and follow the steps. Log into the Arista community and download the latest version of Arista. Install it on your server. Extract the folder into the root directory from where you will run the integration. Rename the folder to Arista. Step 2. Download the plugin for the latest Arista version. Download the Razorpay plugin zip file and save it on your server. Step 3. Copy files and folders to the Arista. You must copy all the files and folders from the Razorpay plugin zip file and paste it into your Arista folder that you have placed on the server. Click on Merge. Step 4. Enable Razorpay extension. Once you configure Arista in your system, log into your Arista admin dashboard. To enable Razorpay as an extension, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings section, click on Extensions and navigate to the Payment section. Select Razorpay from the extension list. Enter the Razorpay key ID and key secret password. Select Payment Action as Authorize and Capture from the drop-down. Change the status to Enabled. Enable Razorpay webhook and add a secret password. Now save these changes. Step 5. Set up webhooks. To set up webhooks, navigate to the Razorpay dashboard and click on the Settings section in the left panel. In the Webhooks tab, click on the Add New Webhook button. Now, in the Webhook Setup form, enter the Webhook URL. Add a secret password. This is for security purposes. Enter an email address to receive alerts for any webhook failures. In the Arista integration doc, navigate to the Subscribe to Webhook Events section. Now copy the event from the document. Select the same in the form. Click on Create Webhook to save the details. This completes the integration process. Let's make a test transaction to check if the integration is successful. Navigate to your Arista website and add an item to your cart. Out and fill in the shipping details. Now click on Continue to complete an order. Fill in the contact and email address details and make the payment on checkout. Select a payment method and complete the transaction. Your order is successfully placed. When the customer completes the payment successfully, payment ID, order ID and a signature will be sent as a response. In case of failure, the customer will be asked to retry the payment. Now let us verify the payment status from the Razorpay dashboard. As you can see, the payment appears on the list. Click on the payment ID to view further details of the payment. The integration was successful. Once your account has been activated, ensure you generate API keys in live mode. Switch the test mode API keys with the live mode keys to start accepting payments from your customers. In case of any queries, contact the Razorpay support team. Thank you for watching this video.